Hi Jack, thanks very much for the question with regards to your Beko cooker. You've got a KDVF100K cooker and you're telling me that it's the top oven that's tripping the electricity supply. Firstly, let me apologise for the location. I'm actually on my way down to Barcelona at the moment, visiting a company called Gotak who makes selector switches, and they actually make some selector switches for Beko as well. But let's address the problem you've got with your oven tripping the electricity. Now you say it's the top oven that's tripping the electricity and knocking the RCD out on your fuse board. This normally would be one of the elements that's causing the problem. And I'm going to have to hurry this up because it's just started heavy raining. But the easiest way to do this is with an insulation tester, but not everyone has got access to an insulation tester to be able to test the elements. So a quick way of doing this would be disconnect the cooker from the electricity supply, take the back of the cooker off, disconnect the base element and insulate the wires so they're safe. Then reconnect the cooker and try the cooker on the top oven. Now, if it doesn't trip the electricity, therefore you would know that it is the base element that's at fault. But if it still trips the electricity, then it could be the grill element that's at fault. Sometimes, by the way, you may have a combination of two elements which are going to earth, so both elements need replacing. But what I've done for you is I've put some videos on a web page for you, also with the exploded diagrams of this machine, and you've also got the wiring diagram and also the workshop manual for this machine. And I've also put a link on the page to any parts that you require once you've actually diagnosed which element is at fault. So all the information is on this page to assist you. All you need to do is go to the description on this video, click on the link, and that will take you through to the actual web page specifically on your problem. I hope this helps you. Good luck with your repair, and if you do need further assistance, feel free to contact us, but do be aware it could take me a day or so to get back to you. Thanks for contacting us.